This is not just a machine, it's your creativity accelerator. Introducing ACCELaser HD1. It's born for making advanced laser tools accessible to everyone. HD1 expands your creative frontiers, breaking boundaries for you. Combine the abilities of two lasers. This dynamic duo effortlessly handles any materials. Powered by the all-new hybrid synchronized motion system, we've achieved large work area at ultra-fast speed. Equipped with high-speed LiDAR, ranging and fly 3D Galvo technology, HD1 boasts efficiency with instant micron-level accuracy. It delivers true, high-speed 3D engraving never achieved before. HD1 ensures pixel-perfect accuracy for diverse production needs with its dual-camera positioning system. What you see is what you get. HD1 is also compatible with Lightburn. Batch processing has never been so easy and efficient before. HD1 gives your home business more options and the ability to earn more. Want to elevate your creativity? With the optional add-ons, HD1 achieves flawless 360 degrees surface engraving on 3D objects. Unlock the leap from 2.5D to true 3D engraving. Struggling with large-size projects? With the option of the conveyor feeder, HD1 further breaks through limitations in machine length. Need engraving and cutting in one job? HD1's innovative airflow switch ensures the clear cut you need automatically. Its fully enclosed design and multi-sensor safety system ensure comprehensive protection. Unlock limitless creativity with versatile accessories. With ACCELaser HD1, you don't choose between speed, size, or versatility. You get it all.